Hello dear subscribers, they will tell you so how to download Viber on your Mac. So for doing that you just need to tap on download Viber. After you just need to tap on download here. After just tap on download for Mac, just choose allow. Here you just need to tap on it. After you just need to move it to applications. And now you just need to wait until it will load. So let's just close them both and just go back to Safari and just open from here, move to applications. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, goodbye.